Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can convert a Word document to PowerPoint. This can be done by making some formatting changes in your Word document and opening it into PowerPoint. Highlight the first heading and click the Heading 1 style. This will represent the first slide in your PowerPoint presentation. Repeat the step for all the remaining headings. Highlight the content of the first heading and click the Heading 2 style. This will appear on the first slide with the first heading. Repeat the step for all the remaining content of all the headings. You can change the font size and color of the text if you want. When finished with formatting your document, click File tab, click Save As, click Browse, and choose the location where you want to save your document. Close your document. Open PowerPoint. Click File tab. Click Open. Click Browse and select the All Files option from the drop-down menu. Open the Word document which you just saved. Every heading that you set to heading 1 will appear on its own slide along with its content which you set to heading 2. You can design the slides as you want. That's all. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you found my tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified about my new uploads.